channel once again. If this is your first time, please try and hit the subscribe button, like the video, and also share the video, so when next I post a video, you'll be among the first persons to be notified. So in this video today, I will be teaching you or showing you how you can actually generate signals. Stop buying signals. Most times what they sell to you are useless signals, but if you can watch the video down to the end, I'm going to show you strategies how you can actually generate signal for yourself. The first aspect how you can actually generate signal is on the spot area. Now, how do I mean? I want you to, most times you think that in the spot area you cannot do the same thing you do in the futures area. You can actually do the same. Now, there are some certain coin that has what we call up and down, and these coins, when the base coin, which is the original coin, is moving up, then the leverage token on them will also be doing twice of the profit they are making. If the leverage token is also making or the base coin is making loss, those coins will also be losing twice. That means you can actually profit while it is going up. You can now sell it when it's about to drop, when it reaches a resistant area. Now you use the same money to buy the down. We call it up and down. This happens in the spot area. Okay, let's move straight. Use your search. Go to the search bar, type BTC up. BTC up. Okay, are you seeing it? BTC up. Now you can see this is monthly chart. BTC up, the previous all-time high was $213. It means that you can actually buy it now that the ETF has been fully established, and Bitcoin halving is about to take place. It means that when you buy this coin at this rate now, you can be trading it. If Bitcoin goes up by 1% or 2%, you will be making 4%. If Bitcoin goes up by 5%, you should be making 10%. Okay, now, look at now. This particular coin is actually making 4.35% today. This is Bitcoin up. It means that when Bitcoin is going up by, let's say, 2% or 1 point something percent, this coin should be doing twice of what the original Bitcoin is doing. Now, if Bitcoin also goes down, is about to go down or going down, this coin, this one will start to lose, while the Bitcoin down will start to appreciate. Okay, look at what I just mean. You look at the Bitcoin down, BTC down, BTC down, okay? Look at it. How much is it losing? BTC down is at loss of how much? 2.58. You can see it's losing. Why Bitcoin up is already making 4 point something percent. Do you see it? So this is actually how you don't need to buy this one when Bitcoin is at profit. You need to buy this one when Bitcoin is at loss. This is on the spot area. So this is actually how you can make money in the spot area, why a particular or a certain cryptocurrency is going up and why it's also coming down. I hope you understand this. So what should be your techniques, your strategy to notice this? You don't need to buy signal. You don't need to buy signal. Just if you are in your Binance, all you need to do is to look at Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is making 1.86%. And BTC up is making how much? up. BTC up is making how many? 4 point something percent. You can imagine that. It now means that if you use Bitcoin as your mirror, put Bitcoin on the favorite, you can see Bitcoin is on my favorite. I put it on my favorite coin to watch what it's doing. Now that Bitcoin is actually doing 46,600 and that is 1.84%. It means I should go and buy Bitcoin up even before. And how will I know when to buy Bitcoin up? I should know when to buy Bitcoin up. First of all, I need to use a strategy, a technical analysis. I have to look at a one day time frame and 1 hour 4 hours time frame. Now I will put my time frame. I want to look at BTC USDT, please. We are looking at BTC USDT. That is the market I need to be on. BTC USDT. Okay, go to market, look at BTC USDT. Okay, I'm on BTC USDT now. So what do I need to do? I need to put this candle, check my technical analysis on daily. On daily, you can see that this market sold down to this area and buyers now push it up. It means that the buying strength is higher than the selling strength. So let me look at 4 hours. What happened in 4 hours? You can see, yeah, look at this. It sold here. It sold, reach to this extent. So when you see a sell side liquidity, it's an opportunity for you to do what? Buy, more especially in a 4 hours time frame. And one of the things that will help you to actually determine whether if market will sell, look at these 3 candles. Look at this one particular one on the left. See the one in the middle, which is the tallest one. And another candle also closes by side of it, which is a sell candle. It means that I call this one swing low. Sorry, swing high. It went up to this extent, but sellers rejected the what? The price. They've now brought it down. The candle closed somewhere here. Immediately it closed. Now, it formed for a doji. All you need to do, wait. But for me, once I see this sign, see this wick coming down, this rejection, I should enter sell. For me, but I don't want you to enter because you don't have the same strength I do. So once this candle closes and this new one opens, all you need to know is that market is going to sell up to 50 to 70% of what it has bought. And didn't you see it? It actually closes here. Look at it. Almost the same place they actually started. So this is a strategy you can actually use. The same thing also occur on the down area. This is where the swing high starts, and from on the premium we call it swing low. Now, are you not seeing the same sign? A candle at the left and a doji on the middle and another bullish candle. It doesn't matter the color of the candle. It does not matter. What matters is that you see this 3 candle. The one in the middle is longer. No other candle was able to do what? Go beyond its low or go above its high. So whenever you see this such a sign in 4 hours time frame, my brother, my sister, if you see it at the discount area, buy the market. If you see it at a premium area, sell the market, because it will sell at least to an equilibrium price. Do you understand? At least it must come to 50% of what it must have buy or what it must have sold. So if you can have patience checking out this sign, these 3 candles, I repeat, these 3 candles, one in the middle is longer. It does not matter what is closing. It can close with a hammer. It can close with normal doji. It can also close with either on the dragonfly or gravestone doji. What matters is that that middle candle, no other candle goes beyond its low or beyond its high. So once you see these three setup, one candle at the left, one in the middle being the longer, whether on the discount area or on the premium area. The premium is the when price has gone high, discount is when price has come low. So once you see this type of sign on the discount area, you can call it your support area where you're standing, then all you need to do is to do what? Buy the market, buy it. So you can look at buy Bitcoin at that time, then go the other way around. Go to the spot area, type BTC up, buy Bitcoin up. So if you can be able to achieve up to 3% in Bitcoin, or as now that is doing 2.8, 2.119 or 2.2%, it means that you, in the other way around, which is Bitcoin up, you should be achieving up to 5% or 6% in that area. What if it happens that Bitcoin achieves about 5% here? You should be achieving up to 11 to 12% in that area. Now, what will motivate you is this. Let's assume you are trading with, let's say, 500 USDT or 1000 USDT or 200 USDT, and you make 5%, 10%, 15% as a result of trading this leverage token, which is a Bitcoin up. It will really assist you to make a whole lot of money. If you do this 10 times in a month, in fact, you must have doubled your capital. So that is the way you can actually generate signal for yourself without going out there to look for people to come and sell signal for you, this and that. These signs that I just told you about, this is a very powerful strategy. All you need to do is to do what? Wait for it to occur. Now you might wonder, can it also occur in other time frames? Does it also occur in other time frame? Okay, let us look at 1 hour. Does it occur in 1 hour time frame? Look at it here now. Are you not? Didn't you see it? Look at it high. See this candle closes. It opens and get to this high. Now they push it down. It closes. And now come down again. It still come down to this up to 70% of what it has bought before it started. So immediately this one, look at it again, occur here. Look at it here now. Look at it here. One. See this candle close. This one come open, come down. Then another one. They now push it up. Hammer. Inverted one. Bam. You see how it's going. Immediately you see this type of sign. These three candles. Buy the market. Are you not seeing it buying? Are you not seeing it? You don't need to buy signals. Use this. This is pure price action. Look at my chart. Did you see trend line? Did you see moving average? Did you see all those things? No. What we are looking at is institutional way of trading. What is actually happening in the market? Do you understand? So if you can go on and check these things, you will always find this sign. All you need to do is patient in the market. Look at it. Look at it occur. When it happened, what happened? Market closed almost close to 80% of what it has already bought. Look at it here. Look at it here. So these are signs you should be looking at. Once, look at this one here. When it happened, it bought the middle candle. No candle again was able to surpass it. Bam. In fact, it sold more than 110% because it crossed the previous low. It cleared it. And look at here. So these are signs you should be looking at. So some people will wonder in the smaller time frames. 1 hour is another good time frame. So look at it now. Look at it. So with this, you can actually generate signal for yourself. Signal for yourself. Signal for yourself. You can actually generate signal for yourself. So what about in the time frame of 15 minutes? Does such thing occur in 15 minutes? Does it occur? Are you not seeing it here on the discount? That this red candle, the last candle low, the last candle was not able to take this one, or when this one closed, then this candle came in. So that is the longest one, and this one now came. So once you see this type of sign in the discount area, know that the market will buy and cover what we call liquidity void. It has already created a vacuum, so it must go back and reprice again, close this area, and you see it went up again to cover this extent. So that is the thing. So if you are a scalper, you are using 15 minutes, so it's a very nice opportunity for you to do this. So on a nutshell, I just want to tell you one beautiful thing. Stop searching for signals. Start searching for signals. Develop signal for yourself. One of the best way for you to actually develop signal, we have a very powerful, plenty things to trade in the system. Look at fundamentals analysis. Look at fundamental news. Listen to many. In fact, match it with the technicality, the technical analysis. You will always that is make progress. So the best way for you to generate signal for yourself is this, what I'm going to say next, which is the top-down analysis, the monthly chart. Look at it. Bitcoin got to what? $69,000. Okay, now look at that same thing that I just made mention of in the previous speech. I said whenever you see this three set of candle, look at it now. This one here, the green one, which is the buy. The next one that opens the next month now surpassed the previous high of that one. So when it closed, it came down, they pushed the price down. The next one closes with a word, started with a second. Once you see this type of sign, sell the market, because it's going to come down to the exact place, almost exact place that it started from. What happened? The same thing. You see it here. Are you not seeing the three candle again? Look at, no matter that they are almost close to each other, but the same occurrence or happened again. And what happened? It went up again and surpassed the previous all-time high. And what happened here again at the premium again? When immediately this buy candle closed, another buy candle started. Then sellers push it down and it closed and started with a sell what? A sell candle. Immediately you saw this, sell the market, because it must surely do what? Sell. So this was exactly what people do not actually see or understand. Because me, when I saw Bitcoin at 69,000 and $69,000, I know that here is the final place. Here is the final place. As the month ended, the next month started, I say, oh la la, it's moving down, until it get to this area that we saw it at 15,000 something. Yes, if you check it, we got Bitcoin at 15,169. You can see it, 15,000, and that was 2022 December, January. That was exactly when Bitcoin got to this price. Do you understand? So now, for you to actually generate signal for yourself without looking at anybody, yes, all you need to do is to do what I call the top-down analysis. Top-down analysis. Share this video. Let it go viral. Top-down analysis. First of all, start from monthly chart. You can see when Bitcoin got down to this place, this was at euphoria, where people were afraid, indecision. Nobody wants to buy at this point. If you had bought Bitcoin at this point, regardless of the fear and everything, you bought at this discount area, you should be swimming in ocean of money by now, because it's going to go back and recover the previous high. Once it recovers the previous high, it's going to surpass it. And what are you seeing now? It's moving towards that range. And in less than no time, now that Bitcoin ETF have been announced, you are going to see Bitcoin surpassing the previous all-time high, moving up to 100,000 USDT. So that is another way. Now, when you look at the top-down analysis, the monthly chart is buying. The next thing you need to do is to look at that same Bitcoin again on the weekly chart. Now you need to look at weekly chart. What is weekly chart doing? Weekly is also buying. Wow, wonderful. Weekly is buying. Shrink the chart. Let's shrink the chart. You can look at it. Weekly is buying. Okay, Since weekly is buying, what is daily doing? Daily is also buying. You can see it. The daily is also doing what? Buying. So what are you going to do? Once the daily is buying, come down to 15 minutes. Just check 4 hours now. 4 hours. 4 hours is buying. 4 hours is also buying. Okay, that is wonderful. Then you can use your 15 minutes to enter the trade. And how do you enter the trade? Whenever you see a sell side, whenever it sells a little, it's an opportunity for you to do what? Buy. Whenever it sells a little, it is an opportunity for you to buy. Like as it sold here, it sold somewhere here. It's an opportunity for you to enter a buy. It sold here. This juncture. It's an opportunity for you to do what? Buy. That is it. So whenever you see a sell side liquidity, while the overall scenario or overall market condition is buy, all you need to do is to look at the little sell that it sells and use that as a yardstick, as an opportunity for you to do what? Buy the market. So top-down analysis happens to be the best analysis that you can use, starting from the monthly chart. Then you narrow it to what we call the weekly chart. You look at the weekly chart. If weekly chart is buying and daily is also buying, so all you need to do is to look at the sell side liquidity. Whenever it sells, you buy. Whenever it sells, you buy. But most especially, as I have told you about the 3 candles, like you see it occurring here. You see it occurring here, which is the high 47,972. And the next candle came and was unable to take off the previous high. Said the market is sold to this extent before they skyrocketed it again. I got to this extent where it is. So if you are actually new to my channel, please try hit the subscribe button, like this video, make this video to go viral. So if you have any question, please do not fail to contact me. I am Ejiykecrypto, aka